Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove sound from your InShot video. If you are new to InShot and you don't know how to remove sound from your video, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Now click on the new to create a new project and add the video that you want to extract the audio. For now, I'll choose this video and click here to add it to your timeline. Now to remove the sound from this video, simply click on the audio and select the video, and you'll see the slider that says 100%. Take it all the way down and you can see we have muted the video. Click here to save changes and again click here to save changes, and now if you play it, the sound is removed. And just like that, we can remove sound from InShot video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.